Hello, Tiger Nation. This is Berks County High School Principal Adam Cox here with you for this week's Tiger Minute. This is the week of January the 14th. Just like to, and we're a day late, so it is the 15th right now. But just like to welcome everybody to come out to the Tiger Arena tonight, as we'll be hosting Apollo. It'll be Lady Tigers and the Fighting Tigers. Lady Tigers will play at 5:30 against Apollo, and our Fighting Tigers will play at 7 o'clock. Both those games are here at Tiger Arena. Lady Tigers are 12-5 on the season, and Fighting Tigers are 14-2 on the season. So come on out and watch those two teams play tonight. Our JV freshman Fighting Tiger basketball team will be in action on Thursday the 17th. That'll be against Evans County here at Tiger Arena. We will not be in school on Friday. It'll be a teacher-only day. But we also still have our Fighting Tigers and Lady Tigers in action that day as well, as they will be traveling to Grayson County High School at night. Lady Tigers will be playing at 5:30, and the Fighting Tigers will be playing at 7 o'clock. I'd like to wish our dance team good luck this weekend. They will be traveling to Meade County to compete in the KDCO Regionals. Just a reminder to all, we will not be in school on Monday, January 21st, as we will be honoring Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And that concludes this week's Tiger Minute. Everyone work really hard, have a great day, and be a champion.